Hello everyone, this is Celine from It's Simple Artisan Soaps. Um, Today I'll be making magnesium oil, and I will be making a body cream with that magnesium oil. I had a request to show a video of how I make my magnesium cream, so I'll be doing that. I'll be fulfilling that request today. So to all who have subscribed, thank you so much. And for all those who are seeing and have not subscribed, please do subscribe. It helps the channel. It helps keep me motivated to make more videos. And if you like the video, please do hit the like button. And if you think that this video will help someone else, please do share it. So let me show you first how I make the magnesium oil, and then I'll show you how I make the cream with the oil. So let's get into the making. So I'm making my magnesium oil at a strength of 60-40. That means 60 magnesium flakes and 40 water. This is for my personal liking. I like the magnesium oil a little strong because I use it for my muscles, for my leg cramps. So that's why I'm making a little strong. But just to let you all know, it is, if you're going to use the magnesium oil straight on your skin, it is going to slightly sting you, uh, but that it might not. Even the cream, the same way, it might sting you a little. For me, when I use the magnesium cream, it never stings me. So I don't know about how it would be for your skin, but for some people do say that it does give that little feel, but it obviously goes away. So now for the magnesium oil that I'm making 100 grams of magnesium oil. I don't need that much for the cream recipe, but I'm making a little extra so that I can put it in a spray bottle and keep it for my use. So I've taken 40 grams of, this is boiling hot water, okay? That's 40 grams, and I'll take 60 grams of my magnesium flakes. This is the magnesium flakes I have. Just got this off Amazon, so. So that's 60 grams of magnesium. Now we just stir it and let it melt. Once this is melted down, I'll show you all how I make my cream. So this is how it is. We just keep stirring. It doesn't take too long to melt. Even if the strength is high, it will melt pretty soon. That's all that it took to melt. It's completely melted. So we have all the magnesium flakes melted in the water. So now we have our magnesium oil ready. So I'll get you all back when I'm ready with all the ingredients for the body cream. Okay, so now I've measured out all my ingredients. For my oil phase, for my the hot phase that I have, I've taken 24 grams of Kokum butter, 24 grams of hempseed oil, there's 16 grams of emulsifying wax, and 16 grams of stearic acid. That's all what's in this, which I'll be melting down in a double boiler. My water phase, total I needed 120 grams of liquid. So what I have in here is 20 grams of my magnesium oil and 100 grams of water. Now I've kept only 20 grams of magnesium oil in this is because when I try to use more of the magnesium oil in the cream, it leaves a very sticky layer, like after you apply the cream, it helps a lot, but when you rub your hands, you'll find a layer which I was not comfortable with. So that's why I have reduced the amount of magnesium oil. So I've kept the magnesium oil at 20 grams and the water at 100 grams. You all can increase or decrease as per your liking. And so goes with the oils and butters. It can be oils and butters of your choice. You all can mix and match. You all can do how you all want to do it. So instead, I use Kokum butter. You all can use any butter that you all like, or you all can use any oil instead of hempseed oil, or you all can mix and match. So that's not an issue. So what I'm going to do now is put both of these in the double boiler, melt this, heat this up, and I'll get you all back when I'm ready to mix it. Now, one more thing that I will be adding when I'm mixing this is tapioca starch. Tapioca starch I'm adding just so that it doesn't leave a sticky feeling or a oily feeling on the skin. It gets absorbed more easily. Or you can add cornstarch, but if you're allergic, obviously you use the alternatives. You can use arrowroot powder, you can use tapioca starch. So I'm using tapioca starch. You all can use any alternate that you all want to for this. Okay, so let me get this all heated up and get you all back. Okay, so we have this both heated up. This is melted, this is heated up. This is at 147 degrees Fahrenheit. This is at 144 degrees Fahrenheit. So now let's start with mixing the two. Now we need to mix this so that they don't separate, the oils and the butters, they don't separate from the water. Currently this is at 122. I need to get it down enough so that I can add my preservative, which I'm using today as Optifin, and my essential oils. I'm using peppermint and I'm using lavender. So both these are known to be good for pain relief because lavender essential oil helps relax and peppermint helps relieve pain. So I'm going to be using these two today in this cream since I'm making something for pain relief. Okay, so let me get you all back when this is slightly more cooler, where I can add my preservative and the essential oils. So the temperature now is at 115. I'm going to be adding my preservative and my essential oils. Preservative I'm adding at 1%. Now lavender essential oil I'm adding a little more. So this I'm adding at 1%. So I'm adding 2 grams. And the peppermint I'm adding at 0.5%. I'm adding 1 gram of peppermint essential oil. Let's give this another blend. That we incorporate everything properly. Now this is the tapioca starch. You all can omit this step if you all want. I'm just adding it for my sake. At 0.5%. You all can omit this completely. You all don't need to. So I'll add 1 gram of. Give it another mix. I'm not selling, this is for myself. So this bottle is something that I'm reusing from an earlier project. I won't close this now, I'll leave it open. still hot. So now I'll get you all back when this is cooled down and I'll show you all how it feels. Okay, so this is still not cool enough. It's still warm and it's still liquid, but the little bit that is there in this has dried up. I mean, has cooled down. It's hardened. So So anywhere you feel that your muscles are sore, it's hurting, you can just massage this in, and it absorbs right in. So I normally use this when I have leg cramps, which I normally have. So I just use this cream. I go in and massage my uh, calves with this, and I get relief. And this is the magnesium oil, so you can just spray it on. I mean, for me, it doesn't sting, but most probably for others, it would. Just don't put it anywhere where you have any injuries. Like I have this little, so over here for me, it does sting, but otherwise, on my normal skin, it doesn't really affect me. But for y'all, maybe it will. So y'all can, as I said, reduce the strength, the concentration of it as needed. So that's about it for this video. Hope you like this video, and hope to see more subscribers in the future. And as I said, if you all subscribe, if you all watch the videos, like the videos, it gives me inspiration to do more, to get out more videos. When you all don't subscribe, or it's that you all don't react to the videos, I feel that it's not good enough, and I sit back and then I don't do things. So if you all want, and if you think that these are helpful, please do subscribe and do like, and see you all soon in the next one. So the next one, I am thinking of cold process shampoo bar, and if you all want, I can also make a video on the herbal oil that I use for myself, which helps me a lot. So if you all want me to show you all how I do that, do let me know. But the next one for sure will be a cold process shampoo bar. So that's about it. Bye for now, and see you all soon. Take care.